In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add and manage products on your Squarespace website, a crucial skill for anyone looking to enhance their online presence or business. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure that by the end of this guide, you'll be fully equipped to navigate Squarespace's product management features with confidence. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. If you're not familiar with it, Squarespace is a popular website building and hosting platform that grants everyone the ability to create visually appealing sites with ease. It offers a wide range of services, but today we're focusing our attention on managing products, which is essential for those running an online store, offering subscriptions, or arranging services. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll want to navigate to the Products and Services section, specifically by clicking on the Products tab. This is where all the magic happens. It serves as the hub for managing what your customers will see and be able to purchase on your site. Everything from physical products to digital downloads, subscriptions, and services can be managed right here. After you've accessed the Products section, you'll see various management options available. To add a new product, simply click on Add Product. This button is designed to make integrating new items or services as seamless as possible. If your intention is to offer something on a recurring basis, such as a subscription service, you will select Subscription. However, keep in mind that if the subscription option isn't directly visible, you aren't out of luck. Squarespace allows you to choose alternatives such as group event or service depending on what meets your business needs. This flexibility is part of what makes Squarespace such a versatile tool for entrepreneurs and creators. Once you've selected the appropriate category for your product, you'll need to fill in some necessary information to ensure everything is set up correctly. This will include details like product name, description, pricing, and any other specifics relevant to what you're offering. Be mindful here and provide clear, engaging details that will appeal to your potential customers. Clear product descriptions and accurate pricing can significantly affect how well your offerings convert viewers to buyers, so invest some time in getting this right. Finally, once you've input all the required information, click Save to ensure your new product is added to your inventory and is fully accessible for purchase or booking through your site. With these steps complete, you've successfully added a product to your Squarespace platform. Congratulations on taking this step towards enhancing your online business. As always, if you have any questions or need further guidance, Squarespace's Help Center offers comprehensive resources and support to assist you as you continue building your online presence. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.